Hi there, torrent lovers! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest in tech and privacy. Today, we're diving into the best free VPNs for torrenting in 2024. Whether you're a casual downloader or a hardcore torrenter, stay tuned to find out which free VPNs can keep you safe and anonymous without actually breaking the bank. But before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about why you even need a VPN for torrenting. Imagine downloading your favorite movie and suddenly your ISP starts throttling your connection. Or worse, you receive a DMCA notice. That's scary, right? Well, a VPN hides your IP address and encrypts your data, keeping your online activities private and secure. But it's not just about privacy. A VPN also helps you bypass geo-restrictions, allowing you to access torrent sites that might be blocked in your region. Plus, with a good free VPN, you can enjoy faster download speeds and avoid those annoying pop-ups and ads that often plague torrent sites. Now let's dive into the top picks for the best free VPNs for torrenting, based on our extensive testing. Windscribe Free and PrivadoVPN Free stand out from the crowd. Windscribe Free tops our list with its excellent security features. It uses AES-256 encryption, offers a reliable kill switch, and supports P2P traffic on all its free servers. The downside? A 10 GB monthly data cap, but for occasional torrenting it's more than enough. Windscribe also has a strict no-logs policy, ensuring that your torrenting activities remain completely private. With its user-friendly interface, you can easily connect to servers optimized for torrenting. Let's not forget the bonus feature of ad blocking that comes with the VPN, making your torrenting experience very smooth. Next up, we have PrivadoVPN Free. It offers 14 P2P friendly servers across 11 countries. While its average speed is slightly slower than Windscribe, it compensates with solid encryption and a privacy-friendly Swiss jurisdiction. However, PrivadoVPN Free also has a 10 GB data cap and lacks some advanced features like port forwarding and SOCKS 5 proxy. But for a free service, it's still a great option. Plus, its kill switch feature has been recently updated, providing an added layer of security. Well, how do these free VPNs stack up against each other? Windscribe offers better speeds and a more user-friendly experience, while PrivadoVPN provides more server options and operates under Swiss privacy laws. Let's break it down further. Windscribe's encryption protocols are open-sourced, meaning they're constantly reviewed and updated by the community. On the other hand, PrivadoVPN's Swiss jurisdiction offers strong privacy laws, which is a big plus point for those concerned about their data privacy. When searching for a free VPN for torrenting, look for these key features: strong encryption, no logs policy, reliable kill switch, and a P2P support. Both Windscribe and PrivadoVPN tick these boxes. Additionally, check if the VPN offers RAM-only servers and open-source protocols for extra security. These features will ensure that no data is stored long-term, adding an extra layer of privacy for torrenters. Aside from Windscribe and PrivadoVPN, there are a few other free VPNs worth mentioning. Firstly, ProtonVPN offers unlimited bandwidth on its free plan, though it limits P2P traffic to its paid users. Then there's HideMe, which provides 2 GB of free data per month and supports torrenting on specific servers. While these options have their own limitations, they can be great alternatives depending on your specific needs. Just remember, free VPNs generally have stricter data caps and fewer features compared to their paid counterparts. To get the most of your VPN while torrenting, here are a few quick tips. First, always connect to features close to your location to maximize your torrent speed. Second, enable the kill switch feature to prevent any data leaks if the VPN connection happens to drop. Third, regularly check for updates to ensure you have the latest of the security patches. Also, if your VPN supports it, use the split tunneling feature to route your torrent traffic through the VPN. This can help maintain better speeds for other online activities too. So there you have it, folks. Windscribe free and PrivadoVPN free are our top recommendations for torrenting in 2024. They offer great security features and decent speeds, making them the best choices among free VPNs. And with that, we've come to the end of our video, so don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Stay safe and happy torrenting!